Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And this month it's the June roundup of the top 5 tutorials for After Effects. I think we've got another set of amazing videos, so let's check them out. The first video this month is by 7-minute After Effects tutorials, and what a great way to start the roundup. We learn 5 essential keyboard shortcuts, and a couple of my favourites are the comp resolution and navigating in the work area. As always, it's always great to learn some of these time-saving shortcuts, and as time goes on, you'll be surprised at how many you will remember. This is well worth your time. The second video this month is by Shivering Cactus. We learn how to create a fairly dynamic teleport beam effect using the inbuilt plugins such as CC Particle Systems 2, Block Dissolve, and Roughen Edges, to name a few. This feels like an effect that once you've made, it wouldn't take long to repurpose it elsewhere in your existing or in a new project. Again, this is a great tutorial and a great showcase of the power that lies within After Effects. The third video this month is by EZCO, and they share the 11 best tricks every video editor should know. Although the video is aimed at editors, I think every trick here is applicable to everyone using After Effects. These tricks range from using certain free plugins to using the inbuilt effects and presets within After Effects. Lots of these tricks are simple to set up and you get a lot of mileage out of them. It's definitely worth checking out all of these. The fourth tutorial this month is by FilterGrade, and what a killer video this is. This is the first video in a long while that shows us how to create a cinematic look within After Effects. I find that most tutorials that cover this subject are usually aimed at Premiere Pro users, and that's fine of course, but sometimes we just want to do the same in After Effects. The effect that we'll be using is Lumetri, and this effect is also available within Premiere, so if you're familiar with that, you will see some overlap. Again, this tutorial is very clearly explained, and I'll certainly be rewatching this one in the future. Go on, check it out. The fifth and final video of our roundup is by Happy Motion. In this video, we learn how to create an animation preset. These are very useful, and the best part is once you have created a preset, you can reuse it as many times as you like. You can also pass these on to anyone else to use. This is a brilliant quick tip to end this month's roundup. Check it out. Alright, well thanks again guys. If you liked this video and would like to see more, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button. Also, hit that notification icon too. If you have any questions, please put those in the comments, and also head over to our website, aftereffectsbeginner.com, and sign up to our newsletter.